Once upon a time in the peaceful village of Amberfield lived Aman and Leila, devoted husband and wife known for their warm smiles and gentle kindness. They owned a small plot of land where they cultivated a beautiful flower garden together. Every morning, Aman would water the soil, and Leila would carefully tend to each blossom, pruning away the dead leaves and encouraging new life to sprout. One season, a fierce storm swept through Amberfield. Torrential rain battered the garden, uprooting young saplings and flooding the flower beds. Aman and Leila rushed outside, hearts heavy, to find their months of labor nearly destroyed. Aman wanted to rebuild the broken planters immediately, while Leila feared planting anything new until the soil recovered. They argued for the first time in years. Aman felt urgency. We must act now, before the next rain comes. Leila, anxious about making things worse, replied, "If the ground isn't ready, planting again could kill what's left." Realizing their disagreement was tearing them apart more than the storm ever could, they paused and looked into each other's eyes. Instead of pressing their own view, Aman gently took Leila's hand. "I hear you. I don't want us to rush into more loss." Leila squeezed back. "And I understand your worry. If we wait too long, the garden may be gone for good." Together, they devised a plan that blended both approaches. Aman would rebuild sturdy raised beds to keep the soil well drained, and Leila would prepare compost-enriched soil in a sheltered corner to test with a few seeds. Day by day, they worked side by side lifting stones, mixing earth, and laughing as they discovered small yellow shoots breaking through the damp ground. Neighbors watched in awe as the couple's garden began to flourish more beautifully than ever before. Vibrant roses climbed trellises, cheerful daisies dotted the paths, and a rainbow of tulips lined the edges. The balance of Aman's drive and Leila's care had created something greater than either could have achieved alone. In every relationship, unity blossoms when we blend our strengths and honor each other's wisdom. By listening, compromising, and working as one, husband and wife can weather any storm and cultivate a love that grows more vibrant with every challenge.